Beer but chicken recipe for juicy, flavorful delight. There's something magical about the sizzle of chicken cooking on the grill. But have you tried beer but chicken? This method takes your ordinary grilled chicken to a whole new level of juiciness and flavor explosion. Perfect for a backyard barbecue with friends or a family dinner that will have everyone reaching for seconds. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, about for 5 pounds, 1 can of beer, 12 ounces, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons paprika, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons onion powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Optional, your favorite barbecue sauce for serving. Serves for 6 hungry folks, depending on the size of the chicken and appetites. Instructions: 1. Prepare the chicken. Remove giblets from the chicken cavity and pat it dry with paper towels. Mix paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper in a small bowl to create a dry rub. 2. Beer can prep. Open the can of beer and take a few sips, or pour out a bit to make room. Carefully slide the chicken onto the beer can so that it's standing upright, with the can inserted into the cavity. 3. Season the chicken. Drizzle olive oil over the chicken. Then generously sprinkle the dry rub mixture all over, making sure to coat the entire bird. 4. Fire up the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat, around 375-400 degrees F, 190-200 degrees C, for indirect grilling. 5. Grill the chicken. Place the chicken, standing on the beer can, onto the grill grate. Close the lid and let it cook for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Check the temperature in the thickest part of the thigh. It should read 165 degrees F, 74 degrees C. When done. 6. Rest and serve. Carefully remove the chicken from the grill, using tongs to hold the beer can. Let it rest for about 10 minutes before carefully removing the beer can. It'll be hot. Slice. Serve with your favorite barbecue sauce if desired, and watch it disappear.